Hi everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bliss Concepts. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, why not join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button and also turning on your post notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. On this channel, I do a lot of crafts, I do DIYs, I do sewing tutorials, and as time goes on, I'm going to add more DIYs. But today, I'm so excited because I'm introducing my new ring light. So I'm going to be unboxing it, and I want you to come along with me to see it. And this video was not in any way sponsored, but I just want you to see and have a taste of how this ring light looks like. So join me as I unbox it. So let's go to the coupling. Let's say it goes. First of all, connect the ring light to the tripod. Locate the screw hole. This is the screw hole located toward the base of the LED ring light. This is it. Place the ring light directly on the tripod stand and twist clockwise to fasten. Stop tightening when the ring light is secure and unmoving. Okay, let's. Is tight, so this is to adjust the width of the phone in case you keep in case you want to use your phone to film. Step 3, position the tripod. Just connect it here and just see what it. You can see as soon as I plugged it to the power bank, the on button, the light came up. I don't know if you can see it. You can see a blue light. So the mode button allows you to switch between 3 LED settings. So I decided to insert the phone feature. It's quite easy. So what I just did, I just took that part, I screwed it to the top of the ring light. I made sure it's firm. Then I took the other part, the part that holds the phone, I screwed it to the top. Just as you can see it can it's flexible. You can direct your phone to any position. That part you can expand to fix your phone. Then you are good to go. Then I also try to fix the tripod so you can see how it looks, and that's it. You can see the difference now with and without the ring light. You are welcome back from that session. I want to know how you feel about that ring light. I don't know if you have used it before. Let me know your comments in the comment section. So we'll see you again.